Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a clickable link in Canva. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Canva and we have a project open in which to demonstrate how this works. So what you can see here is where I have set click here to subscribe. This is just a basic text box, so you can do the same thing. If I were to do this right here on this word, it's the same concept. What you're looking for is the three little dots. When you select a text box, you're going to get these three little dots. When you click on that, you're going to see the option here that says link. When you click that, then you can enter in whichever link you wish. And now when you export this document, that will be a clickable link. So what I've done here is went to link. Now in this case, it says edit link. So you could see here that I have modified the text and I have entered a link, and clicking done, that is now a clickable link. The final thing we need to do is export. And what we want to do in this case is go up to the share button. And when we go to download, you want to export this as a PDF. If you export it as a different file type, then this won't work. But if you export it as a PDF, then anybody who comes to this PDF, and if they click there, they should be able to click the link and it will take them where the link leads. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.